Hello, I'm contestant number 6. I split the 2 layers of my cake and filled it in with a piping bag filled with icing and a palette knife. I also did the same for the outside and top. Using a bain-marie with warm water, I cleaned up the edges and the borders, making it smooth and even as possible. I decided to do a American shell border on the bottom all the way around, and then if you might see in the back, I do not have it completely filled in as for a floral arrangement. For the top, I used a reverse shell border all the way around except for the back as per the floral arrangement. On the sides, I used drapings and dots just atop it. And to conjoin the ends of the drapes, I used small rosettes to clean it up. I decided to go with a traditional, classy birthday cake. White icing all the way around, keep it nice, keep it clean, with very light pastel floral arrangements. I did 2 roses, daisies, and blue braneros. For the roses, I did the 3-6 method with a number 104 tip going, and I froze all my flowers. As for the smaller blue ones, the braninos, I decided to do 5 petals and 3 on the top, completing with a number 4 tip for the middle of it, doing 3 to 4 small center pieces. And the daisies were a leaf tip with 6 petals, 4 on the top and 2 on the very top, completed with a small dab of yellow icing and a small dot of white. I think that's it. Did I say everything? Hold on, we can cut that out.